updated ground-level condo in central Virginia Beach. This home features a spacious, open floor plan, living room complete with fireplace, dining area, and updated kitchen with quartz counters, newer appliances, and laundry closet. Flanking the living room are two primary bedrooms with walk-in closets and ensuite baths. A private patio with storage closet completes this home. The condo boasts dedicated parking and a number of green areas for outdoor enjoyment. Easy access to military bases, shopping, Virginia Wesleyan College, Sentara Leigh Hospital, and restaurants.